Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
Many think of gardening as a purely springtime activity. They envision the act of planting seeds and nurturing them under the warm, golden rays of the sun, surrounded by the vibrant colors of blooming flowers and the hum of busy bees. They imagine vibrant blooms and warm sunshine, the quintessential image of a thriving garden. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms, and the garden is alive with the sounds of nature. However, winter gardening holds a special charm all its own. The frost-kissed leaves and snow-dusted garden beds create a serene and magical landscape, transforming the garden into a winter wonderland. It's a time for quiet contemplation and preparation. Winter allows gardeners to reflect on the past growing season, plan for the future, and take stock of what worked and what didn't. It's a period of thoughtful planning and anticipation. The garden may seem asleep, but beneath the surface, life is stirring. The soil, though cold, is still teeming with microorganisms, and the roots of perennial plants are quietly gathering strength for the burst of growth that will come with spring. Winter offers a chance to connect with nature in a different way. The slower pace of the season allows for a deeper appreciation of the subtle beauty and resilience of the natural world. The crisp air invigorates the senses. Each breath of the cold, fresh air is a reminder of the purity and simplicity of nature, and it brings a sense of renewal and clarity. The silence of the garden brings a sense of peace. Without the bustling activity of summer, the garden becomes a tranquil retreat, a place to find solace and calm amidst the quiet beauty of winter. And the promise of spring's arrival fills us with hope. The sight of budding plants and the first signs of new growth are a reminder that life is always moving forward, and that the garden will soon burst into life once again. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, winter is a wonderful time to get your hands dirty. There are many tasks to be done, from planting winter vegetables to preparing the soil for the coming season. Embrace the tranquility of the season. Let the quiet moments spent in the garden be a time of reflection and rejuvenation, a chance to connect with the earth and find peace in the simple act of tending to your plants. Let the garden's quiet beauty inspire you. The stark contrast of the bare branches against the winter sky, the delicate patterns of frost on the leaves, and the serene stillness of the garden can spark creativity and bring a sense of wonder. You'll be amazed by the rewards that come with tending to your own little patch of earth, even in the depths of winter. The satisfaction of harvesting winter vegetables, the joy of seeing new growth, and the peace that comes from spending time in nature are all gifts that the winter garden offers. So bundle up, step outside, and discover the unique delights of winter gardening. In today's fast-paced world, finding ways to manage stress is essential. Gardening offers a natural and effective way to unwind and de-stress. The simple act of digging in the soil can be incredibly therapeutic. It allows you to connect with the earth and find a sense of grounding. As you tend to your plants, your worries seem to melt away. The repetitive motions of weeding, watering, and pruning can be meditative. You focus on the task at hand, allowing your mind to quiet and your stress to dissipate. Gardening also provides a sense of accomplishment. Watching seeds sprout and plants thrive brings joy and satisfaction. It's a reminder that you are capable of creating something beautiful and nurturing life. This sense of purpose can be incredibly empowering, boosting your mood and reducing stress levels. Believe it or not, gardening can actually make you more productive. It might seem counterintuitive, but the skills you learn in the garden translate beautifully to other areas of life. Gardening teaches you patience, planning, and the importance of consistency. When you plant a seed, you can't rush the process. You need to be patient and trust that with proper care, it will grow. This patience translates to other areas of your life, helping you stay calm and focused when faced with challenges. Gardening also requires planning. You need to consider factors like sunlight, soil type, and planting schedules. This attention to detail and organization can improve your time management skills overall. You learn to prioritize tasks and create systems that help you stay on track. Section 4. January Blooms and Family Bonds, Cultivating Wellness Together. Gardening is not just a solitary pursuit. It's an activity the whole family can enjoy. Imagine the joy of getting your hands dirty together, planting seeds and watching them grow. It's a shared experience that brings everyone closer. Involving your loved ones in gardening offers a wonderful opportunity to bond and create lasting memories. Each moment spent in the garden, from planting to harvesting, becomes a cherished memory. The laughter, the shared stories, and the collective effort all contribute to a stronger family bond. Children are naturally curious about nature. Their eyes light up with wonder as they explore the garden, discovering new plants and insects. This curiosity can be nurtured through gardening. Gardening provides a hands-on learning experience. It's an educational journey where children can learn about the different types of plants, how they grow, and what they need to thrive. This practical knowledge is invaluable and can spark a lifelong interest in nature and science. They can learn about plant life cycles, the importance of caring for the environment, and the joy of growing their own food. Imagine the pride on their faces when they see the first sprouts of the seeds they planted, or when they harvest their first vegetables. Working together in the garden also encourages teamwork and communication. It's a collaborative effort where everyone has a role to play. This teamwork extends beyond the garden, fostering better communication and cooperation in other areas of family life. You can assign age-appropriate tasks to each family member. Younger children can help with simple tasks like watering plants or collecting leaves, while older children and adults can take on more complex responsibilities like planting and pruning. Even the smallest helpers can lend a hand by watering plants or collecting fallen leaves. These small tasks give them a sense of responsibility and accomplishment. Sharing the responsibilities of the garden fosters a sense of shared purpose and accomplishment. Each family member's contribution is valuable, and together, you create something beautiful and sustainable. It creates a space for families to connect, relax, and enjoy the simple pleasures of nature together. The garden becomes a sanctuary where you can unwind, breathe in the fresh air, and appreciate the beauty of the natural world. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and find peace and tranquility. Imagine having a picnic in your garden, surrounded by the plants you've nurtured together. The children playing nearby, the adults chatting and laughing, everyone enjoying the fruits of their labor. It's these moments that make gardening a truly enriching family activity. Celebrating a successful harvest is another highlight. The joy of picking fresh vegetables and fruits, knowing that you grew them yourselves, is unparalleled. Cooking together with the produce from your garden adds another layer of satisfaction and togetherness. Planning the next gardening season can be a fun family project. Involve everyone in choosing the seeds, deciding on the layout, and setting goals for the garden. This planning phase builds anticipation and excitement for the new growing season. Reflecting on your gardening experiences together can be a wonderful way to end the season. Share your favorite moments, look at photos, and talk about what you learned. These reflections can strengthen your family bond and inspire you to continue gardening together. As the day comes to an end, enjoy the garden at sunset. The soft light, the cool breeze, and the sense of accomplishment from a day well spent in the garden create a perfect ending. It's a time to relax, reflect, and appreciate the beauty of nature and the strength of your family bonds. Section 5, Winter Wellness Toolkit, Staying Healthy in the Garden. While gardening offers numerous health benefits, it's important to take precautions, especially during the winter months. The cold season brings unique challenges that can affect your health and safety if not properly addressed. Cold temperatures and harsh weather can pose risks if you're not properly prepared. Frostbite, hypothermia, and other cold-related illnesses are real dangers when working outside in winter conditions. Here are some tips to stay safe and healthy while gardening in January. First, dress in layers. Layering your clothing helps trap heat and provides better insulation against the cold. Wear warm, waterproof clothing to protect yourself from the cold and dampness. Waterproof outer layers are essential to keep you dry, as wet clothing can quickly lead to a drop in body temperature. Don't forget a hat, gloves, and sturdy footwear. A hat is crucial as a significant amount of body heat is lost through the head. Gloves not only keep your hands warm but also protect them from rough surfaces and potential injuries. Sturdy boots with good traction are important to prevent slips and falls on icy or wet ground. Second, take breaks. Avoid staying out in the cold for extended periods. Prolonged exposure to cold can lead to hypothermia, even if you're dressed warmly. Step inside regularly to warm up and rehydrate. Taking frequent breaks allows your body to recover from the cold and prevents overexertion. Third, stay hydrated. Even though it's cold, your body still needs fluids. Cold weather can be deceptive, making you feel less thirsty. but your body loses moisture through breath and sweat. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Keeping a water bottle handy and taking regular sips can help maintain your hydration levels. Fourth, protect your skin. Use sunscreen even on cloudy days, as winter sun can still be damaging. UV rays can penetrate clouds and reflect off snow, increasing your risk of sunburn. Apply a good moisturizer to prevent dry skin. Cold air and wind can strip moisture from your skin, leading to dryness and irritation. A thick, protective moisturizer can help maintain your skin's barrier. Lastly, listen to your body. Pay attention to signs of fatigue, pain, or discomfort. If you experience any pain or discomfort, stop gardening and rest. Pushing through pain can lead to injuries or exacerbate existing conditions. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the many benefits of winter gardening while staying safe and healthy. Winter gardening can be a rewarding and enjoyable activity, providing fresh air, exercise, and a sense of accomplishment. With the right precautions, you can make the most of your time in the garden, even during the colder months.